There is a very powerful distinction that separates those who are winning financially and those who are struggling. And that is, you have the creator versus the consumer. Which are you choosing to be? The vast majority of people don't even recognize this distinction. Today is day 24 in the 30-day money mindset challenge, and we are focusing on how you can create so much value in the world that you can become really, really, really rich. So you have people who are, their dominant way of operating in the world is primarily as a consumer. They are simply buying stuff and consuming stuff, but they're not creating value in the world. Somebody who is winning financially and who has control of their personal economy, because that's the key, right? You need to take control of your personal economy. The most successful people in the world are entrepreneurs who are creating massive value in the world, solving a problem for people. So, what is it that you want to create? You came here with gifts and talents and superpowers. You have acquired knowledge and skills and experience and expertise, and you can use all of that to build massive wealth. Let's take one of the most well-known and richest entrepreneurs in the world as an example, Elon Musk. Elon Musk has created enormous value in multiple marketplaces in the world. He started it with PayPal, and he and his business partner, from very humble beginnings, created this incredible online payment system that had never been done in the world, served millions of people. They sold that to Google for, I think it was about $100 million, nice little payday. He took his portion of the money that he received from that. He invested it in Tesla and SpaceX. Now, both of those ventures actually had very low propensity for success. What he wanted to do had never been done before as a private enterprise, and he was looking to succeed in a space that nobody had ever gone before. And a quote that he is very famous for saying is, "If something is important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure." So he didn't do it because he saw that he could make lots and lots of money. He did it because he saw this as a valuable contribution to the future of humanity. And even though it had a low possibility of success, he saw it as a worthy cause. He also is doing something called the Boring Company, and he is the CEO of that, which is about putting tunnels under cities to help stop the congestion. Tesla, the car company, it also makes robots, Optimus robots, which are absolutely unbelievable. He has Neuralink, which is about putting chips in people's brains. Not quite sure where that's going. He bought Twitter, and he said he didn't buy Twitter because he wanted to own a social media company. He bought Twitter and has rebranded into X to save free speech. He's doing all these things in the world. He is the CEO of multiple multi-billion-dollar ventures, and in multiple different industries. And how does he do it? He does it because he builds teams around him of highly knowledgeable, intelligent people who can actually move and progress these ventures forward. He doesn't do it on his own. He could never do it on his own. And he employs tens of thousands of people to run these companies and to be profitable. So he offers a whole lot of value in the world. That's why he is worth an estimated something like $340 billion now. It's not about who you are. It's not about being rich, wealthy, and successful. It's about what you want to create and what you want to contribute to the world. So when would now be a good time to stop predominantly being a consumer and start being a creator? Start creating value in the world. Start an entrepreneurial venture that will help to potentially change the world. You can do it because you are infinitely powerful and you have the ability to create anything you put your mind to. You start to actually pour your passion into something that you see as valuable for the world. Is it going to be easy? Hell no. It's going to be challenging AF. It's going to be rough. You are going to experience so many ups and downs. You will wonder sometimes where you ever started this, but it will be worth it. Just play the long game. Stick with it. Never, ever, ever quit. make your goals, your vision, your dreams non-negotiable. And once you create value for the world, you solve problems for a profit, people start paying you money for the problems that you are solving for them and the value that you offer, you can start to build something so incredible, so wonderful, so life-changing that you could be really, really, really rich. So if you are ready to take this entrepreneurial venture and you would like to know how to work with me, then why not check out my Thrive program? The link is in the description below. That is my 6-week coaching intensive. It is so transformational. People are literally changing their lives by taking this 6-week intensive journey with me. You are going to love it. Link in the description. If you have enjoyed this, then do me a favor, show me some love, like and subscribe, comment below, let me know what your biggest takeaway is from this. Let me know how you're going to be a creative force in the world and offer so much value that you are going to be really, really, really rich. Now, if you have missed any of the other videos in this series, you can check out the entire playlist here. And if you want to change your mindset to be an absolute powerhouse at creating money and wealth and attracting more abundance, then check out this EFT tapping video here. You're going to love it. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye for now.